Welcome to my channel. I'm Tabitha Betancourt, and we are talking Tuesday morning. Specifically, we're talking the Salem store about a week ago because I ran in to town the day before I was leaving on vacation, and I found the coolest stuff. I don't want to scream, but I found the coolest stuff, but I didn't have time to film it until right now. So, roll it. We're going to look at what I got real quick. Let's just back up because back the train up. Yeah. I have been like running all day. At some point in time, I'm gonna actually need to figure out a way to stop. It's like a train. It goes really fast and it doesn't stop on a dime, even though people think they do and they always cross the tracks, but they don't stop and some go splat. So sad. Anyways. Let's start over. So I went to Tuesday mornings and just the day before I was supposed to leave on vacation, and right now I am finally opening the bag because I wanted to show you what I got, because last week at Tuesday mornings there were some really cute, cool things there, and I'm not sure if your store has them already or if they didn't, but they were amazing. So we're going to do flip-throughs. I've got Creative Devotions. It's a 6x6 paper pad, absolutely adorable, and it is totally my jam. I mean, my jam. And we could even add the peanut butter in there. And then I found basics for card making, but I'm not going to use it. I could send this puppy through the Cricut and boom, have myself some amazing cute little things. And then I found this for $1.99, My Mind's Eye ephemera pack Yuletide. This is just too cute. Too cute. Like, shut the front door, too cute. Can you hear that? They have bells in them. They have bells in them. Then I found 3 die cuts. 3. And they are absolutely so cute. They were $4.99 each. I'm not gonna do that. Let's cut to the flip through and looking at the dies, because one of them is stars, one of them is a mason jars and cookie cutters and gingerbreads and little gift tag. It's so adorable. And the other one is my favorite, the Christmas truck, that little red truck. I mean, seriously. So what I'm hoping that you can do, what I'm hoping when I edit this will happen, is I will find some really beautiful, soft music, and we are just going to sit back, relax, and listen to the music and watch the cool little flip through things. And I hope if you see something that you like, that you find it at your Tuesday morning. That's what I'm going to be hoping and praying for, that you find it at your Tuesday morning. But for right now, I am going to, I have an editing to do because I want to get this up for you. You guys have a great day. like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash it 2019 style. We only have a couple weeks left in the decade. Life is good. You guys have a great day. I adore you, and we'll see you later. Bye. What's up? That you are so crooked. It's like, there. You should not be crooked. Welcome to Wow, that was really good. Not in any sort of way. Woohoo! 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 At some point in time, I will remember exactly what I'm trying to say, but it probably will not be when this recording is happening. What's up with this waving thing? Like, what's up with the waving thing? I definitely need a hobby. Oh wait, I have one. Bye.